Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos and today I'm going to answer the question, what am I going to do with my ads that they stopped after getting banned and I took my account back? So first of all, I need to clarify that I hate doing videos about banned ad accounts and stuff for two reasons. First of all, there are some people that apparently think that I have superpowers and I can unban their accounts just because I have a YouTube channel with 1000 subscribers. Second thing, I'm going to put a lot of censor into that. All of these all of them, they can go all of these that they are writing comments just below and they say that you can go and unban your account in Instagram accounts, okay, that you're going to follow and they're going to unban your accounts. So all of these fake accounts that I'm keep banning and banning and banning, and of course they're appearing again and again and again. Don't do it, guys, you're going to lose your money. There is no good way of actually getting your ad account back. You just have to contact customer support and that's it. And whoever I'm watching there, I'm actually going and I'm reporting also their Instagram accounts. Not that you care, because you just go and you just put comments over there. Most probably you're being paid $2 per hour in order to do that, and or maybe you're just putting bots, okay? Now that I expressed my feelings about banned accounts and all of this spamming that I get about them, I cannot unban your account. I cannot do anything about your account if you get banned. Sorry. The only valid way that I have found that you can unblock your account is actually this, okay? And if you have the means, okay, of doing it, you can go and you can do it. At least we know that this has worked flawlessly for this woman that actually took her account back. I have no other solutions for getting your ad account back, sorry. And let's go now to our real topic, which is what you're going to do actually after you get your account back. So we're taking it from the point that you took it back, okay? Not from the point that it's banned. I have nothing to say about that, okay? So if you're here for that, how to unban your account, this is not a video for that, okay? Let's go to the topic. So we know that Facebook is categorizing all of the ad accounts and Facebook pages based on the experience that they give to the community. And this is why they care about, okay? Because the community and the people that they are using the social media users, they are their product and we are the customers. If we have an e-commerce business, we are the customers that we are actually advertising to this product. This is why I like to say that only the drug lords and the social media are referring to their products as users. We know that Facebook wants to actually protect this community, not let the community have bad experience from bad advertisers. So we have all of these things with the rating on the pages. We have other ratings which are happening within the advertisement. You can actually report an advertisement because you don't like it or you think that it's inappropriate. We have all these kind of things. What does this mean? This means that Facebook is actually categorizing the people also within the platform. And we know from several occasions that Facebook says, if you do this or that, and we think that you are a bad influence for the community, or you're giving a bad service, or you're not giving a good experience as they like to say it, we're going to send you the lower quality traffic, okay? Most probably these are people that they're not converting, they're not buying or not. How do they know it? From their statistics. If someone is clicking 20 times and goes to stores and they never buy, it's a bad traffic. If someone buys a lot by clicking the ads, then it's a good traffic. So what is happening after an account is getting banned? There is a period that Facebook is going to put you on a hold, something like, let's see how you're going to behave, if you're a good boy or not, and then we're going to give you again the good traffic that you had. So what are we experiencing most of the times? We had some very good campaigns running, we get banned, or maybe another situation is when you have a declined payment and then you see that all of your ads are starting to failing and you're not having good sales. Why this is happening? Because Facebook is sending you the lower quality traffic. They want to see for a period if you are going to give good experience to all of their clients. So what you should do, as soon as I get an account which is getting back from a ban, I'm redoing all of the campaigns. I'm not going to leave them there. I'm just going to redo all of them. Maybe if I see one or two CBO campaigns that are working very well, I might keep them. But at the end of the day, I'm going to close all of them and redo, maybe keeping one or two just to keep the spend, but most of the times even the ones that I'm keeping, they are losing super fast the results and I will have to close them. So for me, it's very important to understand that this is a period that you have to pass. It's going to be a period that you are not going to have good results and you're going to have lesser results because of the reasons that we mentioned before, and that you need to overcome it and you need to keep spending, don't stop, because you need to pass this period in order for you to go again back to the previous situation that you were. And yes, it's going to happen eventually. I have seen accounts that they had problems after they stopped with the ban. Then when we got the account back, we had a period of, most of the times it's between 3 to 4 weeks, 1 month. And then you're just starting seeing results coming again. The same thing is happening with decline payments, okay? So the actions that I would take is that I would create all of the campaigns all over again. I wouldn't stop my ads. It's very important not to stop your ads and try to overcome this period, because if you stop your ads, the next time that you will start from the same point and maybe it's going to be even worse. And then the other thing that I would try to do is that I would try to spend the same amount of money as I was spending, because you don't want to start later spending from a lower point if you scale your account to a certain point. So I guess it's a bad thing if you get banned. It's a bad thing if you get banned for no reason, which is happening a lot, but it's also a bad thing to leave your account and not continue running ads, because believe me, you are going to regret it. And be ready to know that you have a difficult period ahead of you. That's all I had to say about the subject and how you should behave. I hope that it helped you. Don't forget that if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, you can check my book or my course. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.